San Francisco, 1900. Thousands gathered for the biggest football game of the year. Some spectators climbed onto a nearby factory roof for a free view of the game. Then, without warning, the overloaded roof suddenly gave way. The spectators had fallen into the factory below, where furnaces burned. Rescuers rushed into the wreckage as the stadium crowd realized something terrible had happened. 23 people were killed and more than 100 were injured. The football game continued, but the disaster became the real story of that day. Today, almost nobody remembers the tragedy that happened above that game.